Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I am going to show you how to create QR code in Google Chrome. Let's start with the video. First of all, open your Google Chrome and here you can put any website which you want to create QR code. Just like I want to create a QR code for my YouTube channel. So write YouTube channel from here. And then press enter. Go to your YouTube channel and here on the right hand side you will see the three dot option, so click on this option. Here you will find the option cast, save and share, so go to this option and then click on create QR code. Here you will see two options, you can copy the QR code from here or you can download the QR code, so I will click on download. Here you can see download has completed, so open the file. From here right click on this file, click on open. Here you can see your QR code has generated successfully. There is also another way to create your QR code, so first of all close these windows. So another way to generate QR code is just simply click on this extension and then here you will find the QR code generator option, so click on this option. So here you can download this QR code by clicking on download option, so click on download. So now you can see it has downloaded successfully. Open the file. Here you can see it has downloaded successfully, so you can put it anywhere where you want to open your YouTube channel or any other website directly. So guys, in this video we saw how to create QR code in Google Chrome. So if you find the video helpful, then don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel.